Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your NETGEAR Nighthawk AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 router step by step, from unpacking and connecting it to your modem, to using the Nighthawk app or browser setup wizard to get your Wi-Fi network up and running quickly. Let's get started. Unpack your router and ensure you have the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and antennas, if applicable. Connect the router to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the WAN port of the router and the other into the modem. Power on the router. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Wait for the router to boot up completely, the power LED should be lit. Download the Nighthawk app on your smartphone or tablet to begin setup. Visit the App Store if you're using an iOS device or open the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. Search for Nighthawk, then tap Download or Install to add the app to your device and start the router setup process. Connect to the router, open the Nighthawk app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your router's Wi-Fi network. The default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password are printed on the router label. Configure settings. Once connected, the app will guide you through the setup process, including creating a NETGEAR account, setting your Wi-Fi name and password, and enabling security features like NETGEAR Armor for cybersecurity protection. Finalize setup. Follow the prompts in the web interface to complete your setup. You can configure additional settings such as parental controls, guest networks, and QoS, quality of service, for prioritizing bandwidth. Test your connection. After setup, test your internet connection by connecting devices to the Wi-Fi network and running a speed test through the Nighthawk app or a web browser. If you are unable to install your NETGEAR Nighthawk AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 router or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.